Good morning, Washington Pre-K. Will you stand with me and we'll sing our Rise and Shine song?
I'm going to put these down and then somebody can help me. Okay, here we go.
That was wonderful. If parents would join us, we're going to say our pledges. If your eyes should be on the American flag, your feet should be still. We use our right hand, it goes over our heart. Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now our Oklahoma flag salute. We use that same hand. Your elbow is at your side. Your palm is extended towards the flag. Attention, salute. I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma. Its symbols of peace unite all people. And now for our moment of silence. Your feet are still. You may bow your head and close your eyes if you choose, but your voice is off. Take a deep breath with me. Great job, friends. We're going to recite our Washington School Creed. So we're going to use that same hand we use for our pledges. Ready? Go. I am a Washington Pre-K Cub. I pledge to be kind and use the nicest words I can find. I am special and bright. I will work with all my might. There is no one I would rather be than me. Great job. You may have a seat.
It's okay. Thank you, thank you.
We are going to start with our Wildcat Cubs of the week. So the last 2 weeks, what has our word been? Oh, you scared me. Okay, let's try that one more time. The last 2 weeks, our word of the week has been effort. It means trying your best, and sometimes that might be hard, but we're going to try anyways. If you would hold your applause to the very end, we're going to recognize our students of the week. And for Miss Stafford's class, we have Remy Shepard. And Mrs. Stafford said he takes his time to ensure he does the very best In all of his classwork, for Miss Arnold's class, we have Charlie Payne. And Miss Arnold said Charlie is always doing his best and never gives up. In Miss Allen's class, we have Noah Bells. Miss Allen said Noah always does his best on all of his work and during routines and procedures. In Miss Smith's class, we have Jacob Flannery. Miss Smith said Jacob works hard and has achieved his 100% goal in ST Math on pre-K and transitional kindergarten levels. In Miss Sanders' class, we have Damian Hanger. And Miss Sanders said he has shown awesome effort in ST Math. In Mrs. Van Kuren's class, we have Bella Buffalo Head. Miss Van Kuren says she does her best work no matter the task. In Mrs. Marler's class, we have Savannah. Mrs. Marler said Savannah consistently tries her best in all she does. In Miss Suter's class, we have Elijah Davis. Miss Suter said he focuses on learning and has made amazing growth this quarter. In Miss Ellis's class, we have Ivan Burton. And Miss Ellis says he always does his best on every task he is given. And for Miss Zuri's class, we have Madonna Lunn. And Miss Zuri said she has made gains in her effort to participate, interact, and in her work ethic. Parents, if you want to take a quick photo, you may do so at this time.
Up there.
All right, let's give these friends a big round of applause for their effort. You guys may go have a seat with your class. The next thing we're going to recognize is one of our programs that helps students with math. It's called ST Math, and it has a little penguin logo that is called Gigi. And so these students have finished all of the puzzles for pre-K and are moving on to higher levels. And so those students are going to come choose a little penguin in honor of their effort. So in Miss Smith's class, we have, when I say your name, come get your penguin, okay? We have Jasmine, Jacob, Selene, Asher, McKenna, Kate, Caleb, Alicia, Brooklyn, Allie, Eliana, Jordan, Raiden, and Kara. In Miss Marler's class, we have Michaela, Jonathan, and Amaya. In Miss Arnold's class, we have Sebastian. In Miss Ellis's class, we have Imris, Eliana, Maylin, and Avery. In Miss Suter's class, we have Brooks and Uriel. In Miss Sanders' class, we have Sam, Miles, Bassam, Damien, and Stormy. Let's give those students a round of applause for their hard work at ST1. And now it is time for our class awards. You guys know what that means. So this is our sparkling dustpan for the cleanest room. And that award goes to Mrs. Sanders' class. Our golden lunch tray, give me a drum roll, goes to the Suitors class.
Ready to do it again?
And then our Gigi trophy for the most puzzles completed this week goes to Mrs. Smith's class. Great job. We have loved seeing all of your effort in keeping your classrooms clean, in showing good lunchroom procedures, and your hard work inside your classrooms. I'll wait until you're quiet to go on. I am waiting for eyes and ears. Thank you. At this time, teachers, if you would get your letter masters ready.
Desmond, Stormy, Desmond, Stormy, Sam, Sam, Madeline. Come on, you're following me. Come on.
In Miss Marler's class, we have Taisley, Olivia, Elijah, and Penelope.
In Mrs. Smith's class, we have Easton, Jacob, Allie, Eliana, and Kate that know 14 or more upper and lowercase letters.
In Mrs. Stafford's class, we have Sophia, Riley, Lucas, and Kai. These friends know 14 or more upper and lowercase letters.
In Ms. Sanders' class, we have Desmond, Sam,
Madeline, and Stormy that know 14 or more upper and lowercase letters.
In Miss Arnold's class, I have Marigold, Zaylee, Evelyn, and Grayson who know 14 more upper and lowercase letters.
In Miss Ellis's class, we have Ivan, Avery, Zoe, and Jordan, who all know 14 or more upper and lowercase letters.
In Miss Allen's class, we have Alex, Oliver, and Darby who know at least 14 upper and 14 lowercase letters.
In Van Kieran's class, we have Wilder, Brexton, and Bella who know 14 or more upper and lower. Okay, in Miss Suter's class, we have Addie, Elijah, and Lydia.
If parents want to take a picture of your letter master, you may do so. And that concludes our assembly for today. Thank you for joining us.
Bye.